guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'll do this really glittery cranberry red eye look, which will be perfect for this time of the year. If you want to see how I create this look, then please continue watching and subscribe to my channel as well. The palette I'm using for this look is a Morphe and James Charles collaboration. The first shade I'm going in with is You're Kidding, which is a bright red colour, just into the crease using the Real Techniques crease brush. So I'm packing the colour on and then I go in and blend the shade in using swiping and circular motions. Next up, I'm using the shade Mary, which is a deeper red tone, just applying that into the crease. And then I went in with the Mustard, which is a brighter red colour, just to bring back some brightness. And then to further blend the crease, I'm using the shade Sis, using a Morphe brush. I then went in with the red shade that I used initially to put on the lower lash line, and then blend it to that further out with the orange colour Sis. And then to deepen up the lash line, I went in with the shade No Beans. And as you can see, I'm just cleaning up my brow bones with the shade Canvas and using No Beans again just to deepen up that crease area. I'm using a black shade called Spooky, just to apply that all over my mobile lid. This will help when I apply the next shade. So right now I'm using a glitter glue from Lit Cosmetics. Putting the black shade on my eyelid just helps to bring this moon dust colour more brighter rather than looking dull. So I'm just patting the colour in with a flat eyeshadow brush, and then you'll see me go in and just cut the crease using the same brush again. So later on you'll see me going in with No Beans on a defined crease brush, and this will just help to make the eyes look a bit more cut crease. So I just dusted off all the powder and went in with eyeliners on my tight line and also on my top lash line, and I'll go in with L'Oreal Lash Paradise just to coat my lashes. For the lower lash line, I go in with the Maybelline Angel Push Up, which you didn't see because I didn't put that clip in, and I just highlighted my brow bone using Jeffreestar Cosmetics Sarcophagus highlighter and used it in the inner corner of my eyes as well. So I'm just putting further highlight onto my cheekbones, again using Jeffreestar's Sarcophagus highlighter. And then for the lip, I'm going to use Designer Blood, which again is from Jeffreestar. To set all the makeup in place, I'm using Jara Cosmetics Lay All Day Spray in Peach and just pressing that down with a beauty blender. I hope you enjoyed this look, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you all soon. Thanks, bye!